Here's how you can use a basic wireframe like this to transform into a fully fledged product image shot in just a few steps. Check this out. First, go to Canva. You want to open up a blank page here, use the portrait or like the poster kind of aspect ratio, and just start dropping in some text to build your wireframe. You want to put the product name at the top. You want your subject to be here. You want the product to be in a particular position, and put something about the slogan text at the bottom. You can rearrange this however you'd like. Head over to FreePick now. We need to grab a couple of things here. We need to get a specific product made in a very clear looking image, and we also need to get a subject, so a person in this case. I wanted to make like a sustainable notebook kind of a brand, so I prompted for that with a little logo on the front of it. And then I also grabbed a picture of a person, of this Asian man that I just generated a little while ago, and I want to get him in the poster holding the product. We're going to use ChatGPT and the latest image generated for this tool to create the poster for us. So first, upload your wireframe, the product, and a picture of the person, and type in a prompt that looks something like this. We want to make sure we're clear of the title of the products. In this case, it's EcoBook. You also want to include the slogan as well, as this matches the wireframe there. I wanted to make sure that ChatGPT knows to use the subject, the photo of the Asian man, plus the product, which is a notebook image, to arrange it as described. And I describe like an interior of a wooden chalet as a background, focusing on themes of sustainability. Very quickly, ChatGPT is able to create a poster following that wireframe with the title on top, the subject holding the book, and then the slogan at the bottom. Next, what you want to do is head over to Runway, which is my favorite AI video tool right now, and upload that image to, so we're going to go image to video on Gen 4. Type in if you want the camera to push in or pull out, and soon you will be left with this awesome moving product image that looks like a moving poster. This is such a fun way to create like product style shots from a very simple diagram, and ChatGPT does an amazing job to pull this all together with all the image references that you upload. I really recommend giving it a try.